These days, people all over the country are starting their own side hustle. So today, I'm in Williamsburg, Virginia, about to meet Tabitha Sewer to find out how her last name became her passion and ultimately her side hustle.
My name is Tabitha Sewer, and my business is Tabitha Sewer, LLC.
Tabitha, it is so great to be here in this magnificent studio, but I think the first thing I need to talk about is your last name is Sewer.
I got lucky enough to marry my wonderful husband, and yeah, that's my name.
I love it, Tabitha Sewer, and this is what you do. Your side hustle is?
My side hustle is sewing DIY content for amazing brands, making fun buttons and sewing patterns for my amazing follower friends.
So really, it's all things design, all things fashion.
Yeah, all things fashion.
And what a great space you have to come here every day and work your side hustle.
If I'm being honest, Jane, this is far beyond my imagination. I'm super grateful that this space is what I get to walk into every day.
I want to talk about some of your designing things because we're sitting here, it looks like we're in this like button store.
My button empire.
Your button empire, and I've got a bunch in front of me here. We've got them right here. Tell us about your buttons.
I love buttons. Every time I go into the craft stores, I would see the buttons and they're not really my style. I'm very playful. I love bold colors and I love sparkly things. Of course, they didn't have that in the craft stores as far as button goes, so I decided to create my own. Here they are. You have some in front of you. We have different options for people that want to have fun and add some accessory to their clothes.
I mean, I'm a button lover too, and I love sparkly things too, and I love bright colors too, so you and I are going to get along just fine today.
Patterns. So June of 2019, I launched my first pattern, which is the Lena horn. My patterns are named after African-American women. This is Lena Horne. She was a jazz singer. And then I came out with this one with Creative Bug. So this one is called the Nina jumpsuit. This is named after Nina Simone. She is an African-American activist.
I think it's fantastic. As a matter of fact, you do the DIY content as part of your side hustle.
Yes.
That Nina jumpsuit,
yes.
I watched the video. It's super cute. It's easy, relatively easy to make.
For sure.
And I love the fact that you're inspiring others with your DIY content.
Thank you.
So Tabitha, this is where all the making happens.
Yeah, I film all of my fun content here in this space.
So how often are you filming?
I film my videos once a week.
So you're doing one project every week?
I do. I film and edit all of my videos.
Not only you're creating, but you're also doing the making and you're also doing all the back end of it that a lot of us need to know how to do.
Yeah, absolutely.
And you have Brother at your side to help you through it all.
Yep, I love Brother. I've grown up with my Brother machines. My mom had one, so of course I had to have one.
And what I love about Brother is that they're generational, right?
Yeah.
So our mothers had them, our grandmothers had them, and then they just passed those down to us, and we love working with Brother.
I absolutely love working with Brother.
They're like kind of like our family, right?
Yeah, absolutely, no doubt.
Talk about the Brother machines that you have, because three of my favorites right here.
I have the Scan and Cut DX 225. I have the Brother Stellaire, which I love. And I have the Brother Serger, the 1034 DX. Yeah.
DX.
Yeah.
I love a great serger.
I love so many things about it. I love the clean finish and the ease of use.
So not only are you doing fashion, but you do a lot of craft and designing and DIY. So that is where your Scan and Cut 225 comes in.
Yes, I love how innovative the technology is on this machine. It doesn't compare to anything on the market. Like, this is literally the best that I found. And everyone on social media knows that I'm really picky with the products that I use, so highly recommend.
Stellaire, I know she's your favorite.
She is.
Tell me why.
This is my baby. This is far beyond my dreams. I love this machine so much. I love the large screen on here. I love the innovative technology, just like all of Brother products. I love that it can do embroidery, and I don't know, I just love everything about it, Jane. I can just go on and on about it.
Right,
It's
so this is a
good.
sewing and embroidery machine.
Yes, yes it is.
So it's like, let your imagination go.
And it's really, really great for people like me, people that are creative and just want to create far more than what basic sewing machines can offer, but this is awesome.
When we talk about your side hustle, how does Brother help you out?
I love the fact that I can call my dealer and ask for any help that I need on any of the machines. They're easy to talk to, easily accessible, so that's really great about the brand.
Yeah, and I love it too, the ease of use. And when we talk about powering up your passion,
Yeah,
Brother does that for you.
they absolutely do. I love Brother the brand, so I'm really grateful that I get to work with them on a daily basis.
Right, they're just right here, your new friends.
Yeah, my besties.
Well, Tabitha, it sure is so inspiring to watch you create all of your DIY video content. Thank you for letting us take a little peek into your world.
Thank you so much for having me. You can come over anytime.
Thank you. I will be back. Well, I hope we've inspired you to start your own side hustle. Remember, it's easy with Brother at your side. And if you have a side hustle you want us to check out, let us know, and you could be featured next. Now go make something, right? All I need to do is make something.
Sure, all you do.